Welcome to Pon Varalaru, Standard 10, Social Science, History, Unit 1, Outbreak of World War I and its Aftermath. We are going to discuss about the 1 mark question. 1 mark question and answer. The first one is choose the correct answer. Number 1. What were the three major empires shattered by the end of First World War? The options are A. Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. B. Germany, Austria-Hungary and Russia. C. Spain, Portugal and Italy. D. Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy. The correct answer is option A. Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. What were the three major empires shattered by the end of the First World War? The correct answer is A. Germany, Austria-Hungary and the Ottomans. Second question. Which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? The options are China, B. Japan, C. Korea and D. Mongolia. The correct answer is B. Japan. Which country emerged as the strongest in East Asia towards the close of 19th century? Answer B. Japan. Third one. Who said imperialism is the higher stage of capitalism? Options A. Lenin, B. Marx, C. Sun Yat-sen, D. Mao Zedong. The correct answer is A. Lenin. Who said imperialism is the highest stage of capitalism? A. Lenin. Fourth question. What is the Battle of Marne remembered for? Battle of Marne remembered for? Options A. Air warfare, B. Trench warfare, C. Submarine warfare and D. Ship warfare. The correct answer is B. Trench warfare. What is the Battle of Marne remember for? B. Trench warfare. Number 5. To which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belong? Options are A. Britain, B. France, C. Dutch and D. USA. The correct answer is A. Britain. To which country did the first Secretary General of League of Nations belong? A. Britain. The sixth one. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? Options are A. Germany, B. Russia, C. Italy, D. France. Correct answer is B. Russia. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? B. Russia. Now we'll move on to fill in the blanks. The first question is Japan forced a war on China in the year 1894. The second question. The new state of Albania was created according to the Treaty of Dash signed in May 1913. What is the treaty name? Treaty of London signed in May 1913. We'll move on to third question. Japan entered into an alliance with England in the year 1902. Fourth one. In the Balkans, Dash had mixed population. In the Balkans, Macedonia had mixed population. The next question. In the Battle of Tannenberg, Dash suffered heavy losses. In the Battle of Tannenberg, Russia suffered heavy losses. Sixth question. Dash as Prime Minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference. The answer. Clemenceau as Prime Minister represented France in Paris Peace Conference. Seventh one. Locarno Treaty was signed in the year 1925. 5. We'll move on to choose the correct statement. Here they'll be given the 4 statements. You have to choose what are the statements are correct. First statement, the Turkish Empire contained many non-Turkish people in the Balkans. Second statement, Turkey fought on the side of the Central Powers. Third statement, Britain attacked Turkey and captured Constantinople. Fourth statement, Turkey's attempt to attack Suez Canal but were repulsed. What the answer is? Option D, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Number 1, 2, 4 are correct. The next one they have given assertion and reason. In Tamil they will say Kutru Karanam. Assertion, Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's markets. Did you understand this? Again I am repeating. Germany and the United States were producing cheaper manufactured goods and capturing England's markets. Reason, both the countries produced required raw materials for their industries. The answer is B. A is right, but or is not the correct reason. The next question, again assertion and reason. Assertion, the first European attempts to carve out colonies in Africa resulted in bloody battles. Reason, there was stiff resistance from the native population. The answer is A. Both A and are correct. Assertion and the reason are correct. Now we'll move on to match the following. Match the following. You have to match from the left side to right side. I'll read out the left side. Treaty of Brest-Litovsk. Second one, Jingoism. Third, Kemal Pasha. Fourth, Emden. Fifth one, Hall of Mirrors. The right side, Versailles, Turkey, Russia with Germany, England and Madras. The correct answer, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk is correct, Madras. So you write the number 1 instead to Madras. Next one, Jingoism is Russia with Germany, number 2. Kemal Pasha, Versailles, number 3. Emden, Turkey, number 4. Hall of Mirrors is correct, number 5. Thank you for watching Pon Varalaru. We will meet you in next class. Thank you.
லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் மறக்காம பக்கத்துல இருக்க பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க.